Well, that's not good. My throttle cable just snapped. Out of nowhere. Yeah. Yeah, I got nothing. That's not good. So look at this. Here's where the cable ends. And it's just a frayed wire there. And it's supposed to hook on. It wraps around little throttle thingy here. Here's the end piece. Still in the little eyelet of the, I think I could actually pull it out. Yep, here we go. There's a very snapped throttle cable. What we're going to do, this is my idle adjuster. We're going to turn the idle up and idle to the shop that will hopefully have a new cable. Thankfully, I just got paid yesterday, so I'll call the boss. And unfortunately, the shop doesn't open until 9. Well, so what you do when you're idle, if you're away from home and your throttle cable snaps, you turn your idle up and keep it in first gear, and that's what you do. So, put it in neutral first. Yeah, I got nothing, which feels really weird. Okay, so what to do if you're stranded and your throttle cable snaps? Find your idly thing, and you turn it way the heck up. Like that. Ta-da! Ta-da! That's it. That's all you can do. 10 miles an hour in first gear. And thank the good Lord we are almost there. Because the bike is not happy with this idle business. And I'm going to cut in after you, before you. Oh, we made it to Freedom Cycles. Please, dear God, have a throttle cable. Please, for the love of God, I need a throttle cable. Nice Tail of the Dragon sticker on your Connie. Hey guys, I didn't record the taking it apart, but obviously I have done so. So what we did, because I overnighted a cable, but it won't be here till tomorrow. So we have done this.
It's gonna be the same size all the way around, ain't it?
You want the same size all the way around?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, these were for the...
We took the cable out and threaded it back in backwards for this to hook in here. And then we've got this here on this side for my to pull. Not legal or safe. Don't do this at home, children. But it should work. Okay, go back in the hole. Trim those edges and call it good. Okay, here's my cable setup. You hook this around here. It's not ideal, but it's possible. It's just zip tied like crazy. Oh. Ah, there you go. Idle's gonna be a little weird because the cable's not gonna be quite right, but we should be able to make it to work. Be a little awkward shifting, but oh, there you go, thumb throttle, like on a ATV, sort of. How to ride your motorcycle with a broken throttle cable. Don't actually do this. This is actually not safe. If you're a new rider, this would not be recommended. It's amazing how your brain transfers throttle control from your wrist to your thumb. Your nervous system's like, oh, okay, I'll just reroute that. So there's the same idea still there, but your body just uses different muscles to do it. I don't really have this bike geared to go on the highway, but what can you do with a broken throttle cable, you know? I'm going to have to pull over and reposition my thumb. Because it hurts like the dickens. Switch to my finger for a while. This is definitely not safe. Yep. That's my throttle. Now it gives a whole new meaning to the trigger finger. Look, no hands! Oh! It's so windy I have to counter steer into the wind, so I can't let go for too long because it'll blow my bike into that lane. Now there's a sight you don't see very often. That wind is something else though. It's very hard to stay in this lane. The bike slowly goes that way. You gotta steer back over. Because it's a very strong windy day. Like very windy day, and the wind's coming from this way. Not straight in front of me, but kind of to my right. Back to the thumb. I switched back because we're getting off the highway here. I think I just ran out of gas. I did. We'll coast as long as we can. I thought I had more than that. Well, that probably wasn't very good for gas mileage. Neutral. I thought I had more gas than that. Oh, what a day it's been. Wonder how long we can coast. Can we make it to that post? Make it to that post. Oh, we did. And I'll just stop there. It's getting silly. Now, yeah, I'm already up in crap. So then I ran out of gas. I work right there. Thus, the shame, the push of shame. If anyone's got a half gallon of gas, it'd be awesome. It'd be great, actually. Anyone? Bueller? Oh, turn that off. I don't want to know I'm walking 3 miles an hour. Hey guys, so here we are. We stopped just outside of Smithville. I ran out of gas, and a very nice guy who rides a Harley was in his truck, stopped by and said, "What's wrong?" I said, "I need gas." So he gave me a ride up to the gas station, and I just put in a half gallon. I spilled a little bit on my seat and whatnot, but that happens. So I put my half gallon in, but my helmet camera's dead, so I won't be able to show you the ride, but I work just up there, so we're almost there. So yeah, kind of a good photo op.
Lori,
That's how I got.
I guess your bike's running good now.
Hey, I was just talking about you.
That's my buddy Sean. We're going up to his place, but I said, he goes, "Is that her there?" Because I told him, I said, "Here's this gal with this little blue mohawk and everything."
You're the one that stopped out to get gas.
Yeah. And so I said, "There she is." So you want to say hi?
Yeah.
So anyway.
Yeah, I made it. Now I got gas.
Awesome.
Thank you
Good
so
deal.
much.
Take care.
Thank you. So after jury rigging this, on the way to work, I ran out of gas. So that guy was in his truck, and currently rides a Harley, and he stopped and helped me. Give me a ride up here to get gas to put in here. So yeah, broke the throttle cable and then I ran out of gas. So don't worry, I overnighted the actual cable and it'll be here tomorrow. But lots of adventure. That's a nice wide turn.